So far, we have learned about how to slicing, how to construct a list, and all. We have two lists now, name and age. Two lists we have, right? So in list, we can it is ordered. We know that we check that it is allow duplicate. Also, we can change also. Okay, we can change the items also, and we can change the order of the item also. Like initially, for example, if I take a name, okay, name. If I just print name. Just a second. If I print name, yeah, it is not in a order, right? Okay, it is not in a order because previously I uploaded slides and all, so it is not in a order. If I take a original list, it is not in a order. Means alphabetical order is not there. So in case I would like to change the order, okay, what I will do, I will say name dot sort. Okay, if I say name dot sort, what it will do, it will sort in a order. Okay, it will sort in a order. If you just execute anything to be called from that any list, we have to say dot. Okay, once you, if you like to know that what are the things are available in my list, just you have to press, after that dot you have to press tab key. It will show that all the available functions. Just you have to press the tab key. Okay, once you have been selected that particular thing. Now if I execute this, sorry, we have to say sort now, sort, execute. Now if you print the name, see, sorted in order a b m r, like this, right? It has been sorted in order. Then we have a one more option called as a reverse. So I just want to write it in a reverse. Okay, uh, we can say reverse is equal to true. By saying sort the order reverse is equal to true, then the sorting will happen in a reverse. Just we can write a reverse also. Just you would like to take entire thing into the reverse, like the original name. Once again I will execute. Okay, now you can check the name is a in this unsorted order because I executed once again, right? Unsorted order, and I just want to reverse it. Means first the last name has to come first, the first name has to go last. Then we have dot reverse. Okay. Once you type anything now, like two or three letters, once you type, if you press tab also, it will give that which are the functions are available. Reverse, open the bracket. Now if you check the name, see, it has been entirely reversed the order, right? The kept this list itself, it is a reverse. Not only sorting has been reversed. Here we sorted, and reverse sorting means ascending to descending, descending to ascending. Okay, that is a sorting option and a reverse option. Then we can add something also. For example, I would like to add one particular person. How to add one particular person? I just say name dot append. There is a append option called as a append. Then we have to give whom to be appended. Okay, I just say Ram. Okay, I just say Ram. Now if I say name, you can see the Ram is added at the last. Always remember that append will be add the things at the last of the list only. Okay, at the end of the list only. In case I would like to add someone like Rahim after this Ramesh. After Ramesh, I will need to have a Rahim, name Rahim. Means what will happen? Manju is a zero index, Ramesh is a one index. At the index of two, I need to insert, right? So I say insert dot insert. First, I need to give the index where exactly I would like to insert, comma, whom to be inserted. I say Rahim. Now, if I check name, sorry, NAME, you can see Rahim has been inserted after the Ramesh, because exactly at the second spot, 0, 1, 2. Right? We can insert, means according to your requirement, you like to insert, means put the name, then insert. Okay, name or anything. You can feed by using insert. If you like to add it to your list at the end, we can say append. Okay, append. Insert is clear. Now, for example, you have some more new names. Okay, you have new list called as a new name, and you have some list of the names like Pawan, Rahul, like Francis. Like this, we have some new list. Okay, new name list we have, and this name list need to be added to my the original list name. Okay, this particular name I need to add this one. Okay, new name. Then how to do that? I say the original one name that to be updated, right? So name dot, we have a update, we have a here we have a extend. Sorry, update is in a different this one, it is in a update will come in sets. Okay, here extend, extend we have a code called as a extend. Which one to be extended? New name, right? This variable to be extended with the this one. Now if I check name, you can see the new one has been added. New one has been added, that is a extend. For example, I would like to copy this particular list into somewhere, so I say name underscore one or name underscore copy is equal to name dot copy. Just say name dot copy. So the original this one, the extended name is there na, that one will be copied here. You can see print. If I say name underscore copy, that copied one. Okay, now I just want to clear that one, means I just want to clean everything. Then we can say name underscore dot clear. So now you will not be having anything in that. See, empty list, it will be, means completely deleted. Copy is over, clear is over, append is over. There is a count also. For example, we like to count someone name, how many times it is repeated. Okay, name dot count, count. Then I just want to count that how many times Manju is there. Two times, it was true. Manju is the two times in our name list, right? Manju two times. So count any name, we can count. Or we can have an index, like in particular location who is that, name dot index. I say at the third position who is that. 3 is not in a list. Okay, we'll see. 1, no, 1 is not in a list. Sorry, in index what we have to check, we check the index where exactly he is located. Like I say Ramesh, sorry, right? This type of error will come, means when I'm not feeding correct information, you'll get error. Okay, so 1 means Ramesh is in a first position. Is it true? For example, if I go and print the name, we'll get to know that. Yeah, first position 0, 1, right? We can check the index, means where exactly that particular thing is located. Index is over. Then what we have, append is over, clear, copy, count how many times it is repeated, extend to add a new list, index, insert we already done, reverse we done, sort, pop and remove. Remove is nothing but like one particular item to be removed from my list. So I just say that name dot remove. Which item to be removed? We need, right? Remove the value. Okay, that is nothing but I just want to remove the Manju. right? So how to get this one, like what to be given here, shift tab. Okay, inside that bracket if you write shift tab, now it shows that what to be given. Now if I print name list, you can see Manju is removed. One of the Manju has been removed. First one it was there previously, that has been removed. Only one Manju is there now. Okay, one by one it will remove, and first one which will be removed from the left hand side. Okay, that is a remove option. Then pop, what exactly pop does? Pop will take a last one. Okay, it will delete the last one. Like if I say name dot pop, Francis has been popped, means Francis has been taken out. You can see name now, Francis is not there. He has been removed. Okay, so these are the some of the operations we can do on a list. Okay, go through one by one. Just you can hold a tab here after selecting a dot after that name of the list. You will have all the things. Okay, and the one more thing, like I would like to join two list together. Then for example, name underscore age, the new list I would like to create, the combination of name plus age. Okay, name list plus age list, these two we can join them together. Now if I print name underscore age, you can see at the last this will be added. Okay, any two list to be added, there are two methods. One is like we can extend, okay, to the existing one, or we can create a new one by joining them together also. By joining them together we can create a new one. In case for example I have a age list, right? This is a age list I have. In case if I multiply by 2, what will happen? You may think that age will be doubled, right? Means it will multiply individual item by 2, but it is not true. If I say age by 2, what happened? It repeated twice. If I say age by 3, it will repeat 3 times. Okay, multiplication here on a list is nothing but we are copying that list number of times within that. Okay, that is how the list, these are the functions available for the list. Okay, go through one by one slowly and you will get to know that how to work on a list. Then in a next session we will come up with a new topic called as a tuples.